Welcome. In front of me is a NAVITEL T787 and today I'll show you how you can put this tablet into Fastboot mode. So to get started, let's hold our power button and from there we're gonna choose power off. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold the volume up and power button at the same time. This will take us to boot mode. So from here, using volume up, you want to select the second option, fast boot mode. So once you press volume up, it will just scroll down and then press volume down, confirm it. And there we go. We are now in fast boot mode, as you can see right over here. So that is how you to boot into this mode, and to leave it, all you need to do is just hold power button till the device turns off. So you're looking for writing just to simply disappear from the screen. There we go. And as you can see, the device boots back up on its own. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.